Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make easy roses. For this, I'll be using silver foam paper. The backside of this paper is white in color. I'll be drawing circles. Diameter of these circles can be 12 cm. Draw a swirl as shown inside each of these circles. With the help of a blade, cut the swirls in circular motion as shown. Once you have cut, it appears to be like this. Now fold it neatly as shown. It will form into a beautiful rose. Stick the edge with the help of a glue gun, and here you have a beautiful rose. If you turn it over also, it still looks like a beautiful rose. So here showing you the procedure again as to how you can do it. You can color this rose with colors of your choice, and this is how it looks. You have beautiful craft roses ready. Now that we have our beautiful craft roses ready, we can use them to decorate as per our choice. Hope you liked my video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.